Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a lightweight text editor developed by Microsoft used for writing code. It supports many programming languages such as Python, JavaScript, Java, and C++ to name a few. Without further ado, let's get started. To start, let's go to Google and search VS Code. You'll be taken to a page that looks something like this. We'll click the first one here, it says Visual Studio Code. From here, you can press download, and you can pick the right download depending on your operating system. I'm using Windows, so I will use this one. And we can see up here that it starts to download. Once it's done, we can click on it. Then we will see this screen. From here, we can accept the agreement and click next. It's fine to just keep the default path that it selects. Here we will click next. Then we can click next again. From here, we're going to select everything and we're going to click next. From here, we can press install. It will begin to install, and once it's done, we can open Visual Studio Code. Now we can press finish, and Visual Studio Code is opened. That's all for this video. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing.